Some key points to remember when you talk about EP40. Number one, look at it this way. You literally have 3 shields at your disposal to take care of any operation that you might need. You can peel these shields off and go have at it. So 2 front shields are level 4. They only weigh 29 pounds. It's super easy. On the back, you got level 3 or level 3 plus or level 4. It's for a quick deployment shield. So what you're looking at is this. It's made out of all steel. We've extended the front about 4 inches, put dual wheels on the front to add more stability. Obviously, you can go through a really smooth surface onto a carpet area. This thing will turn on a dime only because these 3-wheel configuration obviously is 4-directional. So not only goes forward and back, but also every one of these wheels go left and right. That's what gives the ability for this entire unit to be on a smooth surface to a carpeted area to literally turn on a dime. And that's really important. Now, also, in addition to that, the EP40 has really oversized handle, and that's really nice because now as an operator, I can literally control this with one hand, and of course, don't forget, gunfighting hand on the left hand on the shield, and then you got your primary weapon up, and I can control everything in this fashion. That's right-handed shooter, left-handed shooter, same thing, okay? You can tilt this for higher elevation, no problem, but most importantly, when you go, let's say you're coming up to a landing, you can tip this unit up, make sure the front wheel gets up on the top landing, put it down, and then plow right over. These wheels will catch right here on every step, and it'll rock all the way up to where you need to go, all right? So from that, as you notice, these shields have Velcro front and back. We do that for a purpose because, quite frankly, we want your customers to be able to attach any equipment on this in a matter of seconds. Lights, cameras, just use your imagination. You can actually do that, okay? So now let's talk about the quick deployment shield back here. Again, as I said, they have a choice, level 3 plus, or level 4. This one is a level 3 with a viewport. Perfect combination. So let's say you come into an area where you need to actually clear that area and it's very tight and you don't want to take this EP40 and commit the entire team. So all the operator has to do is pull the pin, okay? Literally give this shield to a small team and they can go clear. Once that's been established, then you can commit the rest of the EP40. You have a couple of choices of taking this up the steps, right? You can tilt this and go right up the stairs with it, but you will make some noise. And if that is a consideration, go silent mode. So all you got to do is pull these 2 pins, okay, and give it to an operator. And off they go. Murph, do you mind? Okay, that's number 1. Second pin comes right out. It's that easy. Okay, and off they go. So now that I got this apart, let's talk about, again, storage. If they don't want to keep this thing fully intact, all they have to do is to separate from the post, pull this pin out, okay, and there you go. And if this post is too long, they can loosen these 3 and the whole thing will collapse, okay? Now let's put it back together. It's really that simple. You go right into the tube, it's all aligned for you, so you can't really make a mistake. Put the pin back, okay? Good to go. The first shield, once again, level 4, 29 pounds, okay? Okay, goes in the groove, into that harness. Put the pin. Good to go. Second one, really important, go in an angle. Bottom of the shield goes inside that handle, then rock it in, okay? Once you do that, you're good to go. I want to really point out something. The proper fit, the edge of the shield must touch the handle of the bottom shield. That's what's gonna give you the stability once you put the clamp, okay? So then the system, put the cotter pin back in, I'm good to go. The last shield remaining, okay? By the way, level 3, 14 pounds, it's ridiculous, okay? Into that groove, boom, and you got your pin handy and just put it in. And off you go. Remember, this whole EP40 is constructed with steel, not aluminum. It's solid. The whole kit with the level 3 weighs 112 pounds. Of course, it all depends on what your customer chews back here. It's going to dictate the weight.